At the age of 37, she realized she'd never ride through Paris in a sports car with the warm wind in her hair. The Ballad of Lucy Jordan, performed by Marianne Faithfull, captures the poignant story of a woman confronting her unfulfilled dreams and the stark realities of her suburban life. Faithfull's gravelly voice lends a deeply emotive and resonant quality to the song, perfectly echoing the existential despair of Lucy's narrative. This marked yet another unforgettable instance from Verse and Verve, the poetry of popular music, a collection thoughtfully assembled by Vox.